You have one thing that a lot of these young folks ain't got yet: wisdom. All right, and you also have a ton of memories, and you have a ton of experiences. That's your content right there. That is how you monetize. A whole phenomenon that's happening online right now, and I'm telling you right now, senior citizens are content creators, and they are just annihilating the game, okay? I don't want to use the other K word, because, yeah, we're talking about senior citizens here. I just saw this guy. His name is Mr. Rice. Here he is here. And I'm not making this up. I swear his name is Mr. Rice. I am not making that up. He has a brand where he goes online, and to be honest, I don't know all of his content. I only saw like 1 or 2 videos. The one video that I did see, he talks a little bit about, encouraging people to just be authentic and be real, and to share a little bit about your life and your expertise. Let's play a little bit of it here.
Followers. When you're making social media video, you have to be honest. You don't need the fancy equipment, okay? You don't need the iPhone 17. It's what's in your head. And people doesn't like all this fast talking and fast move. No. You don't use AI either. I never use AI. They want a true person come out talking honest things.
All right, so we're going to disregard that last part. We need AI, use AI, because this stuff is hard. Use AI to make it easy, okay? I don't know what he's talking about. He thought he tried it, but no. Look at this particular creator, and I look at other older creators. I'm just like amazed. I think there's something about seeing an older creator tell their story that it just entices me, and it just makes me want to watch. I watch a lot of older creators, and they share life lessons, they share history, they share experience and expertise and all the things that they've done in their life. And I'm just looking at them like, that is just freaking amazing. And now here I have a client or a potential client that may come to me, and they're like, I can't record a video. I'm like, really? But here a 60-year-old, 70-year-old is like, no problem, pushing the button, and you are overthinking it and thinking, oh, I can't do this. Now, what you need to put into place to start to create video content today, and how you can utilize some of the inspirational content that we're seeing a lot of these older creators create. Now, if you think that they're just doing this just because, they want to just get a great message out, possibly, right? I think it's a piece of that. The other piece of that is they making money, and they don't have to leave their house. And I think that that's what we all want as experts, as folks who have expertise, who've been, on the planet for a little while, lived a little life, a little season there. Right? We want to get on here and be able to generate income for our families, and be able to travel from the money that we make utilizing these media outlets, or these media tools, I should say, and building our own media outlets. I think it's truly amazing. I am very huge on making sure that people monetize their expertise and see the value in themselves to get out there and promote and market and do all the things. Because I'm going to tell you right now, these big tech companies, they do not sit and just overly think. They don't sit and go, well, guess I won't make any money today because Bob from high school might see this. Nope. And I was just talking to someone the other day, like, if Facebook is going to give out monies, we should be the ones receiving the monies. Because what happens is that Facebook makes sure that we give them content and that they monetize that content. They make sure of it. All right. So they get paid either way. We might as well get some type of kickback if we are giving them content and we're creating for the platforms. They should be paying us. The way that I look at all of these different platforms, and unfortunately the platforms don't reimburse, or they don't pay creators the way that they should, I would say except for YouTube. I feel like YouTube actually does pay the way that they should, but it does take a lot more effort, and they don't pay as much as they used to, which they should have continued on. But I find, though, that YouTube is more in alignment with making sure that they pay creators almost like you're an actor or you're the talent. So since you are the talent and you're the person creating the content, they're making sure that you stay happy, so you continue to put content on their platform that they can then monetize. Instagram and Facebook, it seems like they're a little bit tricky on that. They will monetize you, but the way in which they do it and how much they will pay you for, there's so many rules around it. There didn't used to be, but there are now. So it's a little bit harder for you to monetize it. A lot of you people are sitting around waiting for the perfect camera, the perfect logo, the perfect angle, niche, the perfect time to start creating content. Meanwhile, this over 60-year-old man, Mr. Rice, has turned the camera on and started talking about his life and building an audience, right? He's not doing super fancy editing. He's not, doing the whole influencer style, lifestyle type of thing. He is literally utilizing his iPhone, right? No rented Lamborghini, no rented mansion, right? He's just telling stories. How is he getting on here and not really doing a bunch of editing or anything, but getting this huge following? It's because the wisdom is becoming one of the most valuable things on the internet. If you think about it, most of social media is people trying to look successful. They're trying to, what we used to call high side, right? They're trying to look like they got it all together. But Mr. Rice is simply telling people what he's learned. And there's a huge difference in that. One is trying to impress you, while the other is just trying to help you, support you, guide you, or just share stories, or just talk a lot. Because one thing I know for sure is that old people like to talk. My kids have clowned my dad many a day around him talking too much. But some of y'all just think it's not enough, right? You feel like you need a Netflix documentary camera in order to capture your content. But here you have the light is already in you. You have the microphone that's already connected to your phone. And if you don't, like TikTok Shop has microphones for like $7, right? We got Shein, we got Temu, we got Amazon. You can go find a microphone if you really want a microphone. It's not hard. They also have AI tools that can help you with a lot of your creation as well. There's different ways that you can use AI tools to create the content. If you go ahead and click down below in the description area, I actually have a little mini course, a 3-part mini course that talks about how to utilize AI to create social media posts. So you can go take a look at that, right? If you've been on the fence about posting and you've been sitting around just trying to figure out where you should start, the biggest thing is just to start, right? The big lesson here that a lot of older creators are understanding and they're starting to see is that people don't connect with perfection. People connect with people, which is the reason why I decided I was going to do my podcast in my kitchen. My room just didn't have the feel, and I feel like I have a lot of conversations in my kitchen. And the older you get, the more perspective you have. You survive things younger people haven't even experienced yet. You have stories, you have expertise, right? You've made mistakes and you've had lessons that you can then pass on to the next generation. You have one thing that a lot of these young folks ain't got yet, wisdom. All right, and you also have a ton of memories and you have a ton of experiences. That's your content right there. That is how you monetize, right? This is how you get in front of the people that actually want to hear about what you have to say and will follow you and also become a part of your community. The most valuable folks who start to create content and start to build a media company on the internet over the next 5 years may not be the influencers. They may be the senior citizens. They may be the Gen Xers. They may be us. Because while everyone else is chasing trends, older creators and business owners, they're sharing something trends can never replace. And that's experience. That's wisdom. You can't fake 60 years of life. You can't fake wisdom. You can't fake lessons learned the hard way. And audiences are hungry for that.